How did you know it was me?
Yes, I know you, Carmen.
You don't really get to tell your mum really how you feel about her, like, properly.
I don't know why I'm here, except I do know it's something to do with Mother's Day.
I know very little. In fact, nothing. There's the pressure. It's like a test. Do I know my child?
It's an experiment.
No. I think she's going to get the sentence.
A little bit nervous. She's not going to do something stupid.
Hello. I hope that you have passed on to me a little bit of your understanding.
I'll find you anywhere in the world. Anywhere you go, wherever you are.
They all apply to Celine, basically. But I was definitely drawn to that one.
I knew that was you straight away. I knew.
We very rarely have a chance in life to sit back and reflect about the people who we care for most. You take those kind of people for granted.
It will be an everlasting memory.
I think it's the best gift you can give to somebody.
No, I'm speechless.
Yeah, exactly. I think we're both just like...
Speechless.